I'm on top of Acatenango. Fuego's in the background. Come visit, come check this trip out. It was fantastic. Okay, we're on our way, and we got a great group of Israelis and people from all over the world. We're going to have a fantastic time on Fuego and Acatenango. Here we go. We got a great driver here, and here we go. We're on our way, everybody. Enjoy the trip. We all got our lunches, we got our mittens, we got our jackets, and we are going to tackle Volcano Fuego and Acetanango and have a fantastic day today. Amazing little villages on our climb up the mountain here, and it is, you know, passing the little burrows in the road, cornfields. There's another cornfield, a lot of maize being grown. It is beautiful countryside, and we're making our way up. I think we got another half hour to go before we reach the bottom of the volcano, but it's a beautiful drive, and to see the countryside. Dolly is the first out. She's fantastic. We're gonna have a fantastic climb. They're getting out of the van. It's a great group. We're gonna have a fantastic day climbing Acatenango. Look at this view. Unbelievable. They have their walking sticks. They've got their lunches. We're going to have some fun. So here's the entrance. Looks like I'm going to have a workout today. We're all ready to hike the mountain, or the volcano rather. I think it's 5 or 10 minutes into the hike. It's quite an angle. They say about 4 hours. And if I make it, if I don't make it, I had a fantastic life. And I want to wish everyone to be kind. It was nice knowing you. Here's Monica, my newest ambassador of kindness. We're on the tail end of the hike, but it's a 45-degree angle, and we're not even an hour into the hike. Wish me luck, everybody. Wish us luck. Okay, I survived the first leg. I took up the tail end of the group, but I still made it. Monica and I got up it. Look at this view. This is beautiful. 45-degree angle, about a half-hour hike, and I survived. See, I figure by taking my time, the volcano will still be there when I get there. And that's of course if I make it. Okay, I'm gonna go inside a very, very old tree. Okay, on top of Mount Acetanango, inside a tree. Why not? I'm thinking this is a good sign. It says entrada, entrance. Okay, so it's lunchtime. I don't know if we're halfway or how far we are, but I beat out a lot of youngsters. I carried a backpack for the first time in 30 years. That's very heavy, I might add. So I'm 3 times older, out of shape, had 2 cocktails to start the day. And I made it so far. Volcano de Acatenango. Entry rules. People are putting their stickers. And what's this? What's that? Whether it be the journey up Fuego or through life, you do one step at a time. We don't skip life. We don't skip steps. One step at a time. There's been thunder and lightning. I'm willing it not to rain on me. If it does, so let it be. But it's only water.
Going.
Sarah was kind enough to say, do you want me to take a video? And I think we're about an hour away. I'm hoping it's an hour away. I'm hoping we're above the rain. I'm willing it not to rain on me, but if it does, it's just water. And so far, I'm meeting some fantastic people, a lot from Israel, all over the world. We're tackling the mountain one step at a time. This moment of silence is brought to you by Be Fantastic International. I guess this is a rest spot. I could use a little rest. Karen and I were taking up the last hour. And it was so quiet, as you heard a minute ago. It was just wonderful to hear the silence. But I'm back to civilization here. Okay, where are we? What's going on?
We reached the top of the hill and it started raining. But we're still in good spirits.
Yes, we are. I don't have a rain jacket. I have a short sleeve shirt. It's just water. Huh?
Jacket in your bag.
Yeah, but it's not a rain jacket. It's a warm jacket, which I'll use later. Did we make it?
We made it!
There's Scarlett. We made it, everybody, and she just exploded. There she is, Mount Fuego. Been raining lightly. A big deluge. I had a little shelter, luckily, and I got here just now. Wow, fantastic. We're gonna see some fire tonight. Caught just the edge of the lava. Oh, it's on the right there. You see it on the right? Flowing down? You could hear it. That was great. And the day's still young, so we'll see. It's coming. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Damn. Wow. Wow. Wow.
For me, it's a long night.
The night has fallen. We have a bonfire here. It's raining again. There was a couple of great explosions, and I saw a lava flow that you might have seen on the video before. And now it's time for some hot chocolate, some comida, and some rest, because that was a hell of a hike. Wow. Wow. Here's a sunrise for you. Look at that. Beautiful. Just had a big explosion. Sometimes it explodes, sometimes it erupts, sometimes it does different things.
Chicas, vengan. Vengan, chicas.
It looks so different today. I guess it grows by the day because there were some amazing flows as you saw in the video. It was amazing. What a night. So it's about a 2-hour hike down. And it'll be a lot easier going down than it was going up, that's for sure. It was a hell of a arduous journey going up. Going up this last 100 feet was really rough because it's not much of a path, but going downhill is going to be a lot easier. Clouds are coming in. Good time to leave. What's that? Say that again.
It was fantastic. Clickbait.
All downhill from here.
You wanted somebody to fall and to picture that, huh?
Yes, yes, of course. No, that's not kind.
That's not fantastic.
There's Lucas.
Fantastic.
Behind you is drinking. Yeah.
You guys made it.
We made it. Now all the way down.
All the way down. Guatemala City in the distance. Agua, Guatemala. Okay, now it gets steep. Very steep. So I decided the last couple hours, take it easy, go with flip-flops. Why not? Much more comfortable. Well, I made it up the mountain, but coming down, the knee is kind of out of condition, so I'm not going to be the first one down the hill, but I will make it down the hill. A lot of people offered to help me. No, I'm going to do it on my own. It's very painful and a lot of pain. Looking forward to some whiskey and some beer, but I conquered the mountain. I was the oldest person on the volcano. So that's something to be said. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Challenge yourself. Be fantastic. Be kind to yourself, others, and the planet, and stay fantastic. I just heard some horns honking, so that's very good news. It means I'm close to civilization, and the journey is over. It was fantastic, trust me.